thermodynamic processes. First one, quasi-static process. Quasi means that appears to be something what is not really so. Static means state of rest. A process is said to be quasi-static process if the change in pressure or change in volume or change in temperature of the system at every state of the process is very small. In the other word, we can say that in a process, if the change in pressure, change in temperature and volume of the system at every state of the process is very small, there is a small change in pressure, volume and temperature of the system, then that process is known as quasi-static process. Next one is isothermal process. A process in which pressure and volume of the system changes at constant temperature is called a isothermal process. Means here pressure and volume changes and temperature is constant, then that process is known as the isothermal process. Next one is adiabatic process. A process in which pressure, volume and temperature of the system change what there is no exchange of heat between the system and surrounding is called adiabatic process. In this process, volume, temperature and pressure of the system change, but there is no exchange of the heat between the system and surrounding, then this process is known as the adiabatic process. Means pressure, volume and temperature changes but there is no change of heat, means Q is equal to 0. Next one is isobaric process. A thermodynamic process that takes place at constant volume is called isobaric process. एक thermodynamic process which occurs at a constant volume, that is known as a isocohric process. In this case, dV equal to 0. Isocohric process. A thermodynamic process that takes place at constant pressure is called isobaric process. In this process, dP equal to 0, means there is a